Going over Apple stock here today, and Apple here is at 195. I do think we are going to have a recovery here for Apple stock. I know the whole tariff news is scaring Amazon and Apple stock heavily. If you are looking for a downside move, I don't think we are going to test 169 again, but if you are looking for a move back down towards the downside, 173 here is going to be a major support level to keep an eye out for. It's right around a 9% drop, so that's something I'm keeping in mind of. But in the meantime, I do think we are going to get a recovery at least to 206. And so from our current prices to 206, right around a 9% move toward the top side. Let me go ahead and just compare this to 195 and fix that for you. So from 195, which is our current price, 196, it's actually going to be closer to about a 6 or 5% move toward the top side. And fixing the downside here, it's going to be right around 11% drop if we do see a pullback, which I don't think we are going to see again. 169 get tested. If anything, I think we should start to see a recovery or stair step back up for Apple stock. I would also precaution on listening to the news or media. There's going to be a lot more noise with the whole tariff news going on and a lot of bears out there talking bad about Apple stock. But long term, I still think Apple stock is going to be just fine. We even have a gap fill here that could occur here in the short term. So I am keeping it out for 216 to be tested, right around a 10% move towards the top side. In terms of the all-time high, I'm pretty sure we all know that the all-time high is eventually going to be tested here for Apple stock. So in terms of a long-term perspective investor, right, with the current price being 196, all the way back up to the all-time high is right around a 33% move back up towards the top side. So again, I really think this is a considerable dip opportunity, especially below 206. I wouldn't mind dollar cost averaging while we're below 206 down to about 173. And like I mentioned, we're not looking to time the bottom. If anything, we just want to look at a preferable price range and be okay with buying it and potentially bag holding it for the downside, because we know eventually we are going to get that reversal back up towards, again, the all-time high. So if I can get this at a discount, I'm not looking to buy the bottom. I don't mind holding and being down in the short term. I think in long term here, Apple is going to be just fine. If you are looking at the short-term news and media, you're going to see a lot of bears talk down on Apple and saying that they wouldn't be buying Apple stock. And again, I think this is a good opportunity. Maybe not the best stock to be buying, but I still think long-term this is going to have its recovery. And again, if you want to compare it from our current prices, right around a 33% increase. All right. Link on the right side, QR code there for Discord and Patreon. Discord is going to be free to join. We have over 32,000 people and a dedicated chat section for Apple stock. If you're looking for live entries and exits, we also have that for Patreon. If you want to join our Patreon, live entries and exits on stocks and options. We have a permanent discount promotion going on right now as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Feel free to check out the links down below in the description as well, okay? Excuse me. Patreon there, you're going to be having live entries and exits on stocks and options from multiple analysts. And if you do sign up for Patreon, you will unlock the VIP channels on the Discord there. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Apple stock.